If you guys are still using bot to do your meme coin trading, just stop. We have a new bot on the block. I'm going to be going over this, and in this video, we're going to be doing some live sniping. So this is the latest in sniping technology. There's just no other bot I've seen like this. So unlike bot, we're going to get you on the trade automatically, but we're also going to get you out. A lot of you guys have been asking, how do I set a take profit? How do I set a stop loss once I'm in the trade with a robot? Soul Sniper can do that. See, it's automate all your trades. Let's go. So we're in the actual app right now, and up here, we have the documents section. We have the pricing structure, which we already went over, and we have the FAQ. And if we scroll down some, this is the wallet section. Pretty self-explanatory. If you guys have Phantom Wallet or any kind of crypto wallet, let's check out the buy and sell settings. All right, so over here on the right-hand side, this is how we're going to set this bot up. You guys can copy what I'm doing, or, you kind of customize it to your phone likings. But the buy amount, like I said, you always want to start small as far as the priority fee goes. Keep it just the way it is. You can always increase it if you want every transaction to land, but I'm cool with the 0.001 slippage. We're going to crank it up a little bit. Default, it's set to 30, but let's bump it up 50. Reason why we want to do that is we just want to make sure that we can get into trade. So I'd scroll down and let's talk about the sell features. So now when it comes to taking profit, don't want to be too greedy and you don't want to rob yourself. So let's bump it up to 50%. So you're putting $100 in, you're looking for $50 profit, pretty much. You're going to need a stop loss. You need to protect your money because you can't win every single trade, right? It's a probability game, but I like to leave that 20% right there. As far as slippage goes, default is at 30. We're going to bump this up to just a 50 because we want to make sure that we can get out. So we're going to pay a little bit of premium for that. As far as the timeout goes, I'm going to leave it on 60 seconds. Priority fee, we're going to keep it at the 0.001. Trailing stop loss is a little bit too advanced. You're just starting out. Let's just go ahead and ignore that. And let's check out safety. So top 10 holders. A little bit complicated, but I'm going to simplify it. This is how you avoid those rubs. So I'm going to bring mine down to 25%. Not going to get into the details of it right now. You could just go ahead and copy my settings because I know you guys just want to jump into this stuff right here and start making some money. Max same block buys. We're going to keep it at 10. And we're just going to keep the safety check period at 10 seconds. Liquidity burn. It usually takes some time for liquidity to be burned if you guys watch any of my videos. So I'm just going to leave that blank, and I'm just going to leave all of this blank because we're trying to snipe meme coins as they're launching. That's the whole purpose of this bot. So I have to leave a lot of this stuff unchecked. Only thing I'm concerned about right here is this one. Only tokens migrated from pump.fun. And that's it. That's it, traders. We are ready to run this thing. And like I said, we're going to do it together. If you guys are excited, hit that like button for me. We're going to run this bot right now. Let's go. Okie dokie. So right over here, we got a message. It says bot started sniping new tokens according to your settings. Real bit. Look at this. I'm up 11% on this thing. This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. No, we received a big dump right there. Could be just somebody selling, taking profits. So no, here to our bot. All right, so looks like we sold and we're all out. That didn't do anything. The bot did everything. But what I want to do is I want to pull this up on Dex Screener because I know that's what everyone is familiar with. So let's see what's going on with the Dex. I am human. However, I'm using a robot today. Is that okay? Here's what it looks like on Dex Screener. So right now, we can see that we sold and we have a buy sell right here, but I'm on the daily. What I'm going to put it on the minute, see what I get here. So it looks like I bought about 1 minute in and I sold the very next minute. Wow, look at that. My sell is higher than my buy. What does that mean? Profit. But what we really want to see right here is the 1 second chart. So I'm just going to come down here, click on 1 second, and I'm just going to kind of maximize my chart right here. Okay, and double click on this. Start doing some zoom action. All right. Not even 2 minutes in, we automatically bought. We survived this big dump right here, and we sold right there on my settings. You guys can customize the settings to how you like and set it up the way you guys want to set it up. I'm just going to go ahead and stop this bot right now. So down here, we can find Soul Sniper on X, formerly known as Twitter. They have a Discord. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open their Discord, check them out really quick. So make sure you guys check out the Profit Trade channel right here. And if you guys need some support, you can always create a ticket, hit them up, get some help. Hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.